ambulance was zipping down the busy street. Zoom, zoom, flashing lights, it couldn't skip a beat. But oh no, it started coughing, sputtering, oh dear. The ambulance is sick today, it needs some help, I fear. Oh no, what will we do? An ambulance needs saving, can it pull through? Mechanics and friends, we're on the case quick. Let's fix the ambulance, it can't stay sick. The tow truck said, don't worry, I've got a plan. I'll tow you to the garage, let's see if I can. The ambulance sneezed, achoo, my horn won't beep. I need a little fixing, I've got a brake beat. Oh no, what will we do? An ambulance needs saving, can it pull through? Mechanics and friends, we're on the case quick. Let's fix the ambulance, it can't stay sick. The fire truck said, I'll spray some water, it's fine. The ambulance said, no thanks, I'll rust in no time. Then the doctor car showed up with a wink and a cheer. Ambulance, my friend, a checkup is here. Oh yay, help is on the way. The ambulance is better, it'll save the day. Lights flashing bright, sirens go click. Now the ambulance is back, no longer sick. Feels funny, sneezes or won't hum, call a tow or a doctor and they'll surely come. Every vehicle needs a friend to lend a hand. Together we'll fix it, we're a mighty band. Hooray, the day is saved again. The ambulance is healthy, it's back to help its friends. Zooming down the streets, ready and quick. Now we know what to do if a car gets sick.